Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Brain Bridge. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program series in which we learn the method or art of answer writing. This is the seventh question of this series. The question is from climatology. The troposphere is a very significant atmospheric layer that determine weather process. How? This question was asked in 2022. So first, in very first step, we always drive the answer format. So first is answer format, and always there are three steps. First is introduction, second is main body, and the third is conclusion. In introduction, we will start from the various layer of atmosphere of Earth, then come to troposphere. Then in main body part, we will explain the main answer of the question, which is desired in the question. So question is asking about why troposphere layer is so or very significant that determine weather process. How it is important. So how का जवाब हमें यहाँ पर देना है, कैसे ट्रोपोस्फियर इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो हाउ का यहाँ पर हम रिप्लाई देने वाले हैं. देन इन कंक्लूजन वी विल कंक्लूड द आंसर. सो इन इंट्रोडक्शन फर्स्ट this is we will draw a diagram. So troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Then in introduction we will write about this troposphere, which is the lowest layer of our Earth atmosphere, which plays a crucial role in determining weather process, because this is the theme, and the theme is troposphere, tropospheric layer of atmosphere. That is why we will put common troposphere in all three dimension, all three topics, means introduction, main body and conclusion. So पहला ये point हो गया. Next, it will extend up to 8 to 15 kilometer above sea level, which contain approximately 75% of the atmospheric mass and nearly all the water vapor and aerosol. These characteristics are the fundamental for weather phenomena. Now अब हम इसको, ये वो लाइन है जो कनेक्ट करती है मेन बॉडी से. Why troposphere is so important? Because it has fundamental points or fundamental factors which are important for weather phenomena. Now, how weather phenomena is occurring in this troposphere, we will explain in main body part. So in main body part, you will write about presence of water vapor in the troposphere facilitates the formation of clouds and precipitation, driving weather pattern. Convection currents within this layer caused by the heating of Earth surface lead to the vertical movement of the air. So near equator 0 degree there would be convectional current, due to which the tropopause height would be maximum just above the equator. Why it is maximum at the equator? Because there are presence of convection current. So this movement generates winds and influences weather systems like storms, cyclones, and additionally temperature decreases with altitude in troposphere, causing air to rise and cool, which further contribute to cloud formation and weather dynamics. And all these phenomena is happening in the tropospheric layer. So now the desired part of the question has been asked in this main body कि किस तरीके से troposphere important हो जाता है. Now in conclusion, overall troposphere composition and physical processes are essential in shaping the Earth's weather, making it a significant atmospheric layer. So that is all for today's lesson. If you have any question or comments, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe my channel Brain Bridge for more great educational content. See you next time. Thank you.